Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
Put some bread for toast. That's my dinner. Bread, butter and bread, peanut butter. I used to eat burger patties, but my stomach is going crazy since the past couple of days, so I let it go for a while. Anyways, one of my clients dropped. It's pretty exciting, you know, when they dropped. I was not disappointed. I was like, man, they don't just get the concept of playing the game for long run. Like, everybody is so fucking impatient. I am too, but I still see through the impatience and convince myself that you're playing the long run, so let it be. But this person just does not see it. Moreover, I don't want to rant. This is not a rant in any fucking way. It's just funny how they view this entire situation, because according to them, they think taking up one person is going to solve their entire problem, and this one person being dedicated solely to their business is going to solve their entire problem. However, when it comes to a business, the business owners have to be equally involved. To be honest, they shouldn't be equally involved, they should be way more involved. That's when anything else falls into the picture, and that's when anything else works. So, you know, when dots are not connected, they're obviously going to look weird. And this person just does not see it through, and I understand. Maybe it's my fault that I did not make sure that this person understands what I'm trying to get at. Anyway, so one of my clients dropped today, and it really did not disappoint me. I just got excited saying that, fuck, your first client who just dropped you, you've got to get better at this shit. That's alright. I have two prospects that I'm looking into, who I'll be taking up for MNV. And you know, a lot of people, my toast is ready, a lot of people don't even see through what the fuck I do. They just look at one aspect and think a lot of things. But if they actually pay attention, I am trying to connect every single thing that I'm doing to. So we have that. It's just really fucking funny, man, for me. But this client dropped. They have no clue what I'm getting at. That's probably what exactly they were looking forward to for. But they're gonna miss out on it, because when they're gonna come back, or if they're gonna come back, shit is gonna change. Change is inevitable. Nothing is going to stay constant. So, you know, coming back after a point, you may expect everything will be the same, but it is not going to be the same. This is what I tell to anyone who drops Suraj or any business that I'm involved in and tries to come back. Where the fuck is the Amul butter, man? I'm not able to find the Amul butter. I have Nutrilite, but Nutrilite sucks. Literally, Nutrilite sucks. It has no fucking taste whatsoever. Amul butter is so fucking good. I don't even know why somebody would. I know why somebody would eat for health. But fuck, man, if you're eating butter, just eat Amul butter. It's tasty as fuck. I guess I found it. Fuck, that's another Nutrilite. So yeah, that's my daily update. I do not want to waste your time anymore. Thank you for watching this video. If you watched so far, just thank you. And apart from that, for Make Me Garden, I have something really exciting which I have literally done in the past one day. I hopped on a call with somebody, and things happened in such a way that Make Me Garden got involved, and it's a crazy thing. I love what Make Me Garden is doing for this specific thing, and I like what the people who are involved in this specific thing are doing too. I'm saying thing because I don't know if they have made it public. It's an event. I know that they made the event public, but I do not know what all have they made public from the event which will happen. So that I'm not going to go into. But really excited, something really exciting has been planned up for Make Me Garden, where we partnered up for an event, and this event is going to be bomb as fuck. That I will give you assurance.